Now you know how to be economic in Lidl even more. When we were in Lidl, we used one of these coupons, which when you buy for 10 euros, you get 2 euros coupon for all vegetables and fruits. Also, after some time, to the end, to 300 euros. And for this, they gave us a 5 euro coupon. So, if you can see here, second. We also activated coupons for 3 packs of ice cream which needed to be different and we didn't know that, and for 3 packs of toilet paper, here as you can see. So for toilet paper we saved 4.20 euros. That's like almost the price of one. So, and all of the coupons made 14.5 euros. That's a lot. So we also forgot to say that this only works with Lidl Plus. Okay, now you know how to be economic in Lidl even more.